Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi inaugurated Namo Bharat, India's first regional rapid train service. Gadkari inaugurated 418 feet national flag at Atari Baga border, tallest in country. Manipur High Court allowed tribal bodies to appeal against order on ST status for Mighties. Punjab Assembly session cut short, state government to move Supreme Court against governor. Security forces seized huge cache of arms ammunition in Manipur's Imphal. Low pressure area intensifies into depression over Arabian Sea. Chhattisgarh 40 coal blocks in Lemru Reserve not to be mined, coal minister said. And now some international news. Australia decided against cancelling Chinese companies' lease on strategically important port. US military shoot down missiles and drones as it faces growing threats in volatile Middle East. China's Xi Jinping told Vietnam not to forget roots of their friendship. UN probe found new evidence on war crimes committed by Russia in Ukraine. Israeli citizens can now travel to US without visa for 90 days. UN said first aid delivery due in Gaza in next day or so. And now some sports news. The International Olympic Committee rejected Vladimir Putin's ethnic discrimination claim. Novak Djokovic to open 2024 at United Cup, but no Rafael Nadal. Mumbai Indians announced appointment of Lassit Malinga as bowling coach. Salima, Sangeeta and Nikki excited to play in front of home fans at Women's Asian Champions Trophy in Ranchi. Business related news. 2000 notes worth 10,000 crore left in system, RBI Governor. Paytm quarter 2 results loss narrows as revenue jumped 32% on strong loan growth. RBI to conduct open market bond sales to absorb durable liquidity. FM Nirmala Sitharaman flagged food security risk amid global uncertainty. Forex reserve increased by $1.153 billion to $585.895 billion, showed RBI data. Monetary policy must remain extra alert to ensure economic stability. MPC. And that's all in news. Thank you.